Prepare your skin. Begin by exfoliating the area 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and makes the process smoother. Choose the right wax. Opt for a gentle, high-quality wax designed specifically for sensitive areas like the bikini line or Brazilian waxing. Test the wax temperature. Always test the wax temperature on a small patch of skin to ensure it's not too hot or too cold. The ideal temperature is warm, not scalding. Trim the hair. Trim hair down to about 1/4 inch in length before waxing. Longer hair can be more painful to remove, while shorter hair might not be removed effectively. Use baby powder. Lightly dust the area with baby powder to absorb any moisture and create a smoother surface for waxing. Apply wax in the right direction. Always apply the wax in the direction of hair growth for a more efficient removal process and less pain. Pull skin taut. Gently hold the skin taut with one hand while pulling the wax strip off with the other. This minimizes discomfort by reducing the stretch of the skin. Pull against the hair growth. For the most effective hair removal and to reduce pain, pull the wax strip quickly against the direction of hair growth. Wax small sections at a time. Avoid overwhelming yourself by waxing large areas all at once. Small, manageable sections make the process easier and less painful. Take breaks. If the pain becomes too intense, take breaks between sections. It's important to stay relaxed during the process. Ice after waxing. Apply an ice pack or cold compress to soothe the skin after waxing. This helps reduce redness and inflammation. Moisturize. Use a gentle, alcohol-free moisturizer after waxing to keep the skin hydrated and prevent dryness or irritation. Avoid hot showers immediately after. Steer clear of hot showers for at least 24 hours after waxing to prevent irritation and sensitive skin. Numbing creams. If you're worried about pain, use a numbing cream or gel specifically formulated for waxing before starting. Stay calm and relaxed. Anxiety can make the process seem more painful. Deep breathing or listening to soothing music can help you stay calm. Clean and disinfect your tools. Ensure all waxing tools and applicators are clean and sterilized before use to avoid infections and skin irritation. Avoid waxing before or during your period. Hormones can make the skin more sensitive, so it's best to avoid waxing during this time for a less painful experience. Consider a friend's help. Brazilian waxing at home can be tricky to do on your own. Having a friend assist you can make it easier to access hard-to-reach spots. Wax in the evening. Waxing at night gives your skin time to recover while you sleep, and it also reduces the chances of swelling or redness appearing in public. Consistent waxing leads to less pain. Regular waxing over time makes the hair thinner and finer, reducing overall pain with each session. Stick with it for smoother result. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.